Y'all, I'm gonna make this avocado and Swiss cheese sandwich right quick. And when I tell y'all, this sandwich was so good. As y'all know, I'm a vegetarian. My family, they are not vegetarian. So I try to find quick things for me to eat when I'm hungry while I'm maybe preparing them something to eat. If I'm preparing them a sandwich, I like to be able to prepare me something kind of in the same vein. I don't want to have to pull out other stuff. So I was fixing them a sandwich and I had a little Swiss cheese and a little avocado left and a little sourdough bread. That's what you see here. And I was like, well, let me try to put together a little sandwich right quick. Baby, when I tell y'all this sandwich was good, it was good. You believe me when I tell you that, eh? Now, I don't know if it's what they call it, complimentary for you to put like citrus with cheese. I don't know if that's appropriate, but listen, it worked for me. I love avocado. I put the whole avocado on my sandwich, on one sandwich. Yes, I did. I put the whole avocado. And there's something about avocado, lime, and pink Himalayan sea salt. It will change your world. You hear me? It will change your world. And you see my Swiss cheese is melting. It's melting right. So I'm just gonna put the other slice of bread over the Swiss cheese. You see I'm hitting it with that line. Now I don't know if this is appropriate in the world of cooks, but it worked for me. Y'all see that cheese, the way it's melting? See the little brown parts? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I didn't let it cook too long because I have a thing when I see my avocado start to oxidize that just don't work for me. So I just flipped it over a little bit, let it heat through, let my cheese melt on the other side. Baby, I ate that sandwich so fast. I was I had about a bite or two left when I was like, oh shoot, I didn't take a picture of it. But when I make it again, I'm gonna definitely take a picture of it to show y'all. When I tell y'all the sandwich was good, it was good. And obviously, you know, if you're a meat eater, you can add chicken, you can add turkey, you can add bacon, you can add whatever you want. Baby, this thing was good. You hear me? I'll talk to you later.